Alright, this is a 2022 Mercedes Benz GLE 350. I'm going to do the oil service reset tutorial. So let's get into it now. So without pressing the gas pedal, you're going to locate the start engine button. Press it one time. Press it one time. The airbag indicator will come up and the screen will look like that. So after that, now you press and hold this button and this button together for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release. You're gonna press the back button now, which is this one, and then you use the scroll button to scroll across to workshop mode. Once you locate workshop mode, you press the select button. Scroll down to assist plus. Then you switch the ignition on one more time. So just press the start stop button. Not the start stop button, the ignition. One more time. And press OK to remove this from the screen. Scroll down to full service. Confirm service. Select whichever oil grade you want, doesn't really matter. Service carried out, yes. And then scroll down to confirm. So it's gonna say full service carried out. Go ahead and start the vehicle now to verify. So this is all of this is after you complete your oil change and filter change. Okay, thanks for watching.